Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing this amazing recipe with us. It is a cranberry pineapple punch recipe. Now this recipe is fantastic. It can be served for breakfast, any time of the day, or even during the holiday celebration. And the even better thing is it can be enjoyed by both adults and children, and it's going to be a hit every single time. Now this is going to be our first recipe under our cranberry mocktail series. In the previous video, I shared with us how to make a homemade cranberry juice. If you've not watched that video, please feel free to watch it, and I'll link it in the description box. Now this recipe is super easy and will be enjoyed by everyone. I mean everyone. So come along with me while I show you how to make this recipe in under 1 minute. Let's go. So for this cranberry pineapple punch, I have my tall glass. Next I'm going to go in with some ice. I just want to make sure that my glass is half filled with ice. Next, I'm going to go in with some cranberry juice. I'm going in with 4 ounces of cranberry juice. Next, I'm going 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and then I'll top up with 1 ounce of tonic water. Please feel free to use Sprite, but for my mocktails I always prefer, most times I prefer to use tonic water. I'm going to go ahead and top up with some more ice. Just a little to fill the glass. I'll go in with my straw. And then I'll garnish with my fresh cranberries. I'm going to leave it up to the drinker to stir their drink so that everything can be incorporated. Thanks guys for watching. Please do not forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe if you have not done so.